How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to clean a K&N filter. So there's just two clips here that just pull back. And then this box just lifts up and the air filter comes out. Now I've got a K&N filter here in this vehicle. So all I'm going to do is just clean this and re-oil it and then replace it. So it's pretty simple using this K&N filter recharger kit. All we do is we remove the filter, then we apply the cleaner, we rinse it and we let it dry, and then we oil the filter and replace. Very, very simple. So here I have the filter cleaner, and in addition to that I also have the filter oiling kit. Instructions. Right, so what I'll do with the filter is I'll just give it a quick clean with a rag, just to get rid of any debris, any dust. And what I'll do now is I'll use the cleaner, I'll give it a thorough spray, and then what I'll do is I'll let it sit for 10 minutes. It's been about 10 minutes now, so I'll give the filter a rinse. And what I'll do now is I'll just let it dry out on the sun. I'll leave it there for about 10 minutes or so, and then we'll go on to the next stage. So what you have to do is you have to put this here parallel with the crowns or the ridges, and then just squeeze the bottle gently and move it along. Just do the other side now. And now that I've let the filter oil dry, I'll now replace it. So it's just a case of refitting the air box and then pushing back home the two clips and then giving everything a final clean, and then we're good to go. And that's it, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.